Hey, my name is Adriana Robinson, and I'm the videographer for Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs. You probably haven't seen me before, or wouldn't recognize me, because normally I'm on the other side of the camera. Life is pretty weird right now, and my team and I thought a great way to help connect people during this time would be to do a gardening vlog series. Throughout this series, you'll get an inside look at some of the lives and gardens of some of the Proven Winners employees. So in this first episode, you'll meet all of the unique personalities and hear a little bit about what they're doing in their gardens and in their lives to keep their spirits up and hopefully to lift yours a bit as well. So to start off, we'll hand it to Marshall.
Hi guys, I'm Marshall DIRKS, the Director of Marketing for Proven Winners. I'm in DeKalb, Illinois, where we are currently experiencing some cold weather and a little bit of snow flurries. We're in gardening zone 5B, and we've been in this location for almost 15 years. Where I'm at right now actually is in the midst of our sort of Proven Winners makeshift shipping department. As a result of COVID, we've had to move all the product that we ship from our office into my basement. So anything from tomato seeds, pepper seeds, books, all the fertilizer that we have, watering kits and water-wise.
How are you feeling?
Our family's healthy as our employees, and so we're really happy about that. But we certainly are mourning for those and grieving for those who are being impacted negatively.
What's cheering you up the most right now?
Something that brings joy is certainly seeing all the flowers that are starting to come. And this time of year is an unusual part of the year for me. I'm usually traveling about, and I, for the first time, am able to really take joy in observing those.
Greetings from Grand Haven, Michigan, Zone 6. I am Shannon Downey, the graphic designer and creative specialist for Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs. That essentially means that I manage the aesthetics for the shrub side of the brand, a lot of educational pieces and fun things like Shrub Madness. My husband and I have 2 little ones. Our daughter just turned 4. How many pictures do you think you color every day?
I color like 100.
And we have a 7-month-old son. So at first, quarantine didn't seem like that drastic of a change because we don't really get out much anyway. And I immediately panic ordered 5 yards of mulch as soon as I found out that we were going to be stuck at home. As long as we can stay busy, we're fine. But right now we're confined to the indoors. It's not really that pleasant outside, and the kids are getting a little restless as well, but they're pretty good sports. I think it actually is harder on my husband and I than it is on them. To go from such a dynamic, exciting office to working at my dining room table is hard. Hopefully we'll be able to go back soon, and I'll get to hang out with my super awesome coworkers. I miss you guys. As much as I miss going into the office, working at home with my husband has been a lot of fun. He brings me coffee and makes me lunch. Get in here and say hi.
You're recording right now?
Yes.
Hi.
It's been a lot of fun. And of course, the garden. When we have been able to be outside working on it has been just the thing that saves us. It really is an oasis for us.
My name is NATALIE CARMOLLI. I live in Grand Haven, Michigan, just about 20 minutes away from Spring Meadow Nursery, where I work. And I am a marketing and public relations specialist for Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs. Despite everything, I'm feeling pretty good. I work here at the computer most of the day. I make sure that I take regular breaks, just like I would if I were at the office. And also, don't forget, it's really, really important to eat good food. So we make sure that we have family meal together and we're always eating really, really healthy food.
What's something that you've learned in the quarantine?
Well, an important thing that I think we're all getting used to and we're all learning is how to manage our time when we're working completely independently and make sure that the time that we're spending here at our home offices is really, really productive. Oh, One other thing I've learned, on Thursday mornings, we have always put our garbage bins out by the side of the road. But one thing I didn't realize was when the garbage trucks come around mid-morning, they have these huge claw arms that come out, grab the bin, and dump the garbage into the truck container. That is an important time of our day, and the whole family rushes to the window to see that. So that's something else I've learned. Luckily, one of my favorite activities, gardening, is still accessible to me. I think my garden's probably in the best shape that it's been in a long time. What I do miss, however, is just being able to go out and get the gardening supplies that I want and need when I need them. And that's actually really important to me. So all joking aside, what I miss is being able to go to my local garden center and get the items that I want and need. Gardening is a great way to cheer yourselves up. And as a family, just to keep from watching a lot of TV, we also have taken up doing puzzles. And puzzles are a lot of fun. Great way to exercise your brain and work together. And that's been a lot of fun as well.
Good morning, Evan Ellenboss here, Regional Product Director with Walters Gardens. And I want to talk to you about my garden. But probably won't happen today because the wind chill is about 25 degrees. There's gusts of wind up to 30 miles an hour. So, hey, you know what? It's a better place to be is right next to the fire here. Right now, due to the stay home, stay safe order here in Michigan, we really can't buy any plant. And so that's a little disheartening, but hey, we'll get through it. Gardening, in my opinion, is a process. The bad news is it's never done, but the good news is it's never done. We've been here about 25 years and things keep changing all the time. And when the weather gets nice, we'll go outside and look at what's going on in the garden.
Hi, I'm Jessica DEGRAAF. I'm the Retail Account Manager for Proven Winners, and this is my daughter Lauren. So what we've been up to over the past few weeks, we've actually been at my parents' house here in northern Michigan. You guys can see it's still pretty early in the spring here. They're a zone 4B, so actually today it's starting to snow a little bit. So we're excited about spring. We're excited to have a lot of time to be outside. Have you been having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We live in the Grand Rapids area, but have been really blessed over the last 4 weeks to spend this time in northern Michigan with my mom and dad. So we've been quarantining up here. The reason that we did that is because we have a very small house and a very small yard in Grand Rapids, and so we thought it would be better for our two children to have more space and opportunity to just get outside and garden. One of the other things that we're really, really lucky is that we have this awesome greenhouse and garden center that we get to play in. My mom and dad have a small independent garden center in northern Michigan, and so right now, due to the stay-at-home orders, the garden center is closed. We're allowed to have a very few people in here to actually work to water the plants, to take care of things. We're utilizing PPE. Normally I would have a mask on, but just really lucky to have some time to be able to be here and in the greenhouse.
My name is Diane Fullerton. I'm with Spring Meadow Nursery. The nursery's in Grand Haven, Michigan. I'm in Spring Lake, about 13 minutes closer to the big lake. I'm the marketing assistant event planner. So we've been doing this for about 3 weeks, and I'm figuring out I'm okay with this because I live by myself. I've got 2 grown kids, and I think I could be a hermit. Once it gets nice, I want to be out and wish I could be doing other things. Staying at home, I miss having 2 screens. We have 2 screens at work. We could have taken everything home, but it's all techie stuff, and I don't really like that. And of course, like the people. For something cheery during the day, I'm usually listening to the radio, and a song will come on, and I'll go, oh, I know a line dance to that. So I took the rugs out of my teeny little kitchen, and I get up and move around a little bit.
My name is Kevin HURD, and I'm the Director of New Products for Proven Winners. My main responsibility is working with the many plant breeders from all over the world and overseeing our trial process. I live and garden in Austin, Texas with my girlfriend and my 8-year-old son. I normally work from home when I'm not traveling, so not much has changed for me. I have a small desk, so it forces me to constantly deal with any clutter that might accumulate. And my office is multifunctional as an office, gym, bedroom, and game room. I honestly could not imagine going through this global pandemic without a couple of things. One of them is the incredible trail system that the city of Austin has. Being able to continue to get exercise and workout has been extremely beneficial, both for my physical health, well-being, but also my mental well-being. And then also my garden, being able to escape these four walls and get into nature, what is essentially my private park. It's been really valuable. This is going to be the best year ever for my garden. So I'm excited to see the results of all of this work early on that I'm normally not able to do because I'm traveling.
Hi, my name is KRISTINA HOWLEY. I'm a horticultural content specialist and I live in Walker, Michigan. Right now, during this strange pandemic, I am also feeling a little strange. So I'm in my first pregnancy. I'm about halfway through, and nothing about that has gone the way that I thought. So the experience has just been a little bit different there. But otherwise, my husband and I are homebodies, so we have not been as affected as extroverts have at all. Even as introverts, we were used to seeing our family quite a lot. So we haven't been able to see them at all. So we've definitely missed them. But not to focus on the negative, we've also had a lot of really good things. A lot of things that are cheering us up. And one of the biggest of those, as you might imagine, is getting outside. Getting outside has been really important for us. It literally makes you feel better. Just embrace nature's beauty when you get out there. That's been bringing us a lot of joy.
Hi everyone, this is Carrie from Proven Winners, and I am coming from you from my office, and this is my regular office. I work from home. I've got very high ceilings. I've got like 2 giant windows and a glass door that I look out of onto the deck so I can see outside. There's tons of natural light. And so this is where I hang out. I've been living here close to 15 years now. I'm in central Missouri. How am I feeling? Yeah, normally I work from home anyway, and my daughter's in school most of the time and my husband's out at work, so it's kind of sort of normal for me to do this. In fact, I have more people around than usual because my daughter's off from school, and today is the first time that day that my husband is working part-time from home, so half the week he has to go in and half the week he's going to be home, so there's going to be 3 times as many people as normal around. Not so sure I like that. I'm an introvert, so I like to hang out by myself with my garden. I miss the most getting together with friends on the weekend, and we used to kind of go to church on Saturday evening and potentially run into friends and go grab a bite to eat, and I really miss that a lot. What's cheering you up the most right now? Having my daughter around has really been quite fun. I do live on 10 acres and because I work from here and I can get out anytime I want to, so my daughter and I at lunch have been walking up to our mailbox, which is like 4/10 of a mile away, so we get in about a mile's worth of walking every day to just go to the mailbox and back.
I'm Janine Standard, and I am with the marketing group for Proven Winners. I oversee a lot of our public relations efforts, advertising, social media, newsletters, things like that. And I've worked for the company for somewhere in the neighborhood of 16 years. I live in Illinois, central Illinois. I work from home. It's a nice gig. But things are different right now with the COVID-19 virus. And the things I used to do to get a break from work, like meet a friend for lunch, run to Target, not doing those things right now. So things are just starting to bloom out here, and I really enjoy that because it helps you just know what's yet to come. We have a fairly good sized yard, even though we are in town, back up to a creek. So I think I have 14 of our hydrangeas here. Gives me a lot of room to grow our plants, get to know our plants. And when you're answering questions on social media, that's pretty important to know.
Hi, I'm STACEY HIRVELA, and I am the horticulturist and marketing manager for Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs. I'm in Grand Haven, Michigan, and I work at Spring Meadow Nursery. We've been working from home for about a month now, And I've never worked from home before, so it is an interesting experience. I really miss working at a greenhouse, especially in spring. You know, you can always get up and go for a little walk and get some fresh perspective. I miss my coworkers, who you've also met in this video so much because we all love gardening. I don't miss my office plants. They're right here next to me. I brought them home. I will confess to you that I am that guy. I am that guy who gets fully dressed every single day. Jewelry, perfume, the whole 9 yards. Stepping away and, you know, changing my clothes or whatever it is, it really just kind of helps me transition. And I think what's really exciting and just really rewarding right now is that, you know, every other year, my husband and I, you know, beautiful spring weekend, we'd be like, well, let's just, you know, go on a hike. Let's just do this. Let's just do that. So there's always a reason to not be home. And those reasons have all gone away. So we have really just completely refocused our energy into the garden and into improving our outdoor space. And we've taken on a ton of projects that I'll be sharing with you in future videos. There will be a lot of changes and improvements ahead.
All right, so we hope you enjoyed watching, and stay tuned for the next episode where you'll see everyone's gardens and the different gardening projects that they're working on. Bye.